I got a 3-pack of these large storage bins 2.5 years ago here off Amazon. And these things have been really, really good. So I love how large they are. I got them to organize my TV/computer room because we had headphones and cords everywhere getting all mixed up. I just wanted somewhere so they could be out of my sight. These are perfect for that. They're very large, so they fit quite a bit of stuff. Also in the winter, I'll roll up lap blankets and I'll have them in here. And this fits probably about 4 to 6, depending on how big those blankets are. These are really, really great. So collapse down like this. They have this really thick material that looks kind of like a canvas. They have these really strong rope handles. And then they have these reinforcers right here so that it won't rip through. Inside is lined with liner that's actually sewed in so it will not come out. So here is where I have my bins. They look really nice, and as you can see, I got all my computer stuff in here so I don't have to have cords and headphones and keyboards hanging around. They're all organized inside this bucket, and this is the kids' game stuff, which makes it really nice to have somewhere to put them. And then the top one has school items. You could also put toys or whatever you need to use these for. So I not only think these are great quality, but I think they also look really, really good.